Good morning, friends. I used to get different messages that how to find the recruiters, and even the questions come to the knowledgeable or kind of education channel people like me or any other people. People ask them, can you tell any openings available? Because we will have very little information. Whatever the information we see on LinkedIn, or else sometimes some known managers might share some information, but we don't have too much information about the job openings. You have to reach to the right person. For example, if you need any documents, or if you need any videos, you can reach me, so that I can refer whatever it is available on my blog or YouTube or any other channel. I can explain and I can give that respective suggestion. But if you come to me and ask me for any job openings, I can say that one, okay, I will check it, or you can follow certain person, you can follow certain recruiters and all. Okay, so I will tell you a few tips in LinkedIn, how to search for a recruiters. So once you come to your LinkedIn profile, go to search, and you can search like SAP recruiters. Okay, SAP headhunters, SAP HR, or SAP recruiters, or SAP technical recruiters. Okay, you can try with different wordings also. Here you can click on people. So system will give one more filter, and the locations also you can filter. For example, you are looking in India, so filter India. Okay, company wise also, if you want to filter, that is additional thing. Okay, if you are checking for general openings, then you can check it. So the connections, I think I can suggest you to keep all kind of connections. See, now you can see there are different kind of recruiters. You can send the connection request. Okay, for example, I want to send to this connection. You can send a connection request. Recruiters have kept only follow button. You can click on follow. Like that, you add more connections and you can enhance your network. So your network should be filled with SAP recruiters, SAP consultants who share knowledge or certain information, SAP recruiters who share about job openings or any latest happenings in the job market, any changes. Okay, you can plan your network in that way, so that whatever post they are going to do every day, that will be helpful for your career. I hope it will be helpful, and you can add more recruiters. And there are different terminologies also, you can use it. Headhunters also one word people use it. Okay, headhunters or SAP hiring. Okay, SAP jobs, different kind of things you can use for searching, but select the people. I hope it is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.